To anyone going through a breakup, I'm going to show you 4 ways to reduce the pain, but I'm not stopping there. Because then I'm going to show you 3 ways to bounce back stronger and make her regret her decision. Starting with number 1, if you're going through heartbreak, listen to these songs. When you break up with someone, your body starts producing stress hormones that make you feel sad. So I'm going to show you how to feel better instantly with a specific type of music that will counteract that feeling by overproducing oxytocin. These are feel-good hormones. You see, as shown by a study published by Harvard Health, our bodies will produce the hormone oxytocin whenever we listen to a certain type of music. This does not mean you should listen to any type of music or music that's going to remind you of her. Instead, what research found is that music with fast tempo is the best at promoting the production of oxytocin. This will make you feel happy and energized. So, the next time you're feeling sad about a breakup, listen to the songs that you're seeing on screen. You're gonna feel better. And just like that, within a few seconds, I got you feeling better. I'm getting you out of your rut. I'm combating that heartache you feel, which is really just high levels of cortisol, by making your body produce feel-good hormones. And I'm not stopping there. I got 3 more tactics to get rid of pain, and my 3 final tactics to make you bounce back better. Number 2, use somatic breathing to eliminate all pain. When it comes to dealing with post-breakup emotions, a lot of men will just mindlessly scroll on social media. And sure, this will take your mind off of her for a bit, but it's not dealing with the underlying issue. To do that, you'll want to change how you breathe. To start, I need you to find a quiet spot where you can sit or lay down comfortably. The style of breathing I'm about to show you was analyzed in a study with 2,461 participants. They were testing different breathing techniques to look for a positive response in their bodies. They found that this somatic breathing technique had a direct impact in the heart and on the nervous system, while also producing feel-good hormones like serotonin and dopamine. Once you're in position, you will then close your eyes. You will then take a deep breath for 4 seconds. You need to feel your belly expand and then hold that breath for 4 seconds. Finally, exhale for 4 seconds. You probably already feel better. Repeat that cycle 10 to 15 times. When you're done, you're gonna feel amazing. 3, get rid of stress with more stress. I'm gonna show you how to eliminate all that pain you're feeling by adding a specific type of stress called acute stress. Acute stress is your body's reaction to immediate danger. When it happens, your heart rate increases. Your body starts producing high levels of adrenaline and endorphins. And this excited state will make you feel a lot better. However, you don't have to put yourself in a dangerous position to trigger it. Instead, you can use acute exercises like interval sprinting, and they're easy and it's free to do. Just find a spot outside, whether it's your neighborhood or a park. Then you'll want to all-out sprint for 30 seconds to put your body in that acute stress. Then you're gonna walk for 30 seconds. Do that for about a 15-minute workout, continuing that cycle of 30 seconds sprinting, 30 seconds walking. I promise you, by the end of that, you won't even remember the pain you felt for your ex. 4, remove all urges of contacting her. During the lowest point of your breakup, your body will be filled with stress hormones like cortisol, making you want to call her to feel better. But calling her is the wrong thing to do, as you'll come across as weak and needy. So, this is how you make yourself feel better and prevent yourself from calling her using a harm reduction technique. This is going to make you appear more desirable, which will make her regret her decision. First, go into your phone, find her contact info, and replace her number with the number of your best friend or a family member you know you can always contact. Now, if you don't have any of those or anyone to talk to, then you can even use a service like today's sponsor, BetterHelp, which will match you with one of 34,000 licensed therapists, meaning you're gonna have somebody to talk to that also provides you high quality advice. And the best part, they will listen and keep everything confidential. Now, the next time you have that urge to call her, pull out that phone. You can call that contact number, but it's gonna be your friend you're gonna be talking to. And of course, you're gonna know that isn't her number. That's not the point. The point is that by you diverting that call to a friend or a family member, you're gonna prevent yourself from looking needy and weak. On top of that, calling somebody you know is also a self-soothing behavior, which is an activity of comfort that will calm you during times of high stress. And as shown in multiple studies, when you practice self-soothing behaviors, you will increase the production of feel-good hormones. Now, like I said, if you don't have that family member, you can do the same with BetterHelp. since you can book therapy sessions whenever you need them, whether it's a video call, a phone call, or text messaging, whatever you feel comfortable with. Click the link down below and visit betterhelp.com/mensfashion to get 10% off your first month's therapy with BetterHelp. Now, think about it. You use somatic breathing to make yourself feel better. You're using acute stress to eliminate stress, and have figured out how to remove all urges to contact her. All so you can get rid of that pain from that breakup. Now for my last 3 tips, I'm gonna show you how to take that pain, turn it into a motivation to make her regret her decision. 5. Make more friends and fill her with jealousy. The key to getting over your girlfriend and fulfill your true potential starts with surrounding yourself with new friends and people. And don't just take my word for it. In this study, it was shown that people with large social circles and higher social status are seen a lot more attractive than those that don't have it. Now, I know meeting new people can be a little bit difficult, so this is an easy 3-step process you can take that will help warm you up to meeting new people. First is level 1. This is an easy level. This is when you start interacting with somebody new online. This will start the process of rebuilding your confidence. And it's easy. There's a lot of random online video chat websites that you can log on to and start talking to random people. Now, if you want to progress with your confidence quicker, then the service like I talked about before, BetterHelp, is phenomenal for this because you can pair yourself to a specific therapist that can deal with whatever issues you're working on. That way, you can be introduced to somebody new in an easygoing and safe setting because like I mentioned, it's completely confidential. Next is level 2. Now, things are going to get slightly harder here, but will produce massive results for your confidence. I want you to join as many online meetups as possible so you can familiarize yourself with meeting and talking to new people. There's websites like Facebook groups or even meetup.com that makes this process seamless. When you do this, dopamine's going to increase, which will make you happier, but so will serotonin, which is guaranteed to increase your confidence. And for level 3, the most difficult part of this entire process, you're going to do the exact same thing as level 2, but this time it's going to be an in-person meetup. And as you get better at level 3, throughout that entire process, I want you to engage, have a great time, and take pictures with other people that you can then upload on social media. Your ex will see how well you're doing and want you back. Because remember, like I told you in the beginning of this tip, those men with higher social circles are more desirable. And once you complete level 3, meeting new people will be easy. But everything starts with that first interaction. Level 1, meeting somebody virtually. And if you want to take it easy and do it with a professional, I suggest you guys check out BetterHelp, which will be linked down below. Number 6, use heartbreak like a weapon. A study conducted in 2007 found that right after a breakup, there is a huge opportunity to improve yourself due to the high amounts of adrenaline and stress hormones running through your body. The problem is that most guys waste this energy, believing that this feeling is going to last forever. This results with men staying in their room and never leaving. However, the successful men that do overcome their ex and make their ex regret their decision are the men that understand that this feeling is not forever. So, here's how you do the same with something called narrative therapy. First, sit down in your room and visualize yourself as the hero's journey, understanding that just like any hero, you must endure hardships to reach your potential and become a strong person. You need to write down your current situation. You need to also write down what you want to become. And then you start working towards it. The problem is that many men become stagnant, especially in relationships, which is what leads women to leave them out of boredom. With this new mindset, you're using the motivation of the heartbreak to evolve into greatness and make her regret her decision. Number 7, improve your financial responsibility. Regret is based on the lost opportunity principle, meaning the only way you make her regret her decision is by making her feel like they lost or that they went backward after their decision. And we know that according to research, the top reason why most women end relationships is due to the financial irresponsibility of men. So, you want to improve your financial responsibility? Easy. Simply question every purchase you make. At the end of the week, look at every expense. You can put it on a spreadsheet and then right next to it, write down why you purchased it, whether you needed it or if you could have gotten it cheaper. This process is called cognitive conditioning, forcing you to rethink your habits that are likely causing your financial issues. And by using this and everything on the list, not only will you get over heartbreak, you will make her regret her decision. If you boys want to continue to level up, especially financially, check out this video here. See you next time.